Hey guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Once again, I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin. What's going on in XRP Ripple coin? You know what? At this time, and this time from the previous last 3 days, I'm very excited to the XRP Ripple coin because the unbelievable changes occur in the XRP Ripple coin from the previous last 1 week. You can see here now at this time the situation is going wrong, but now only the latest last 3 days price chart is going positive, and absolutely in the last time, in the last previous days, the XRP started jumping. And you know what, now it is the ending of a month, so that is why the price is exploded. That's why I'm telling you in my previous videos that please hold to the last of this month, hold to the last of this month. That's why I'm telling you again and again to hold it. So now the situation is going good, and other side you can see the previous time, you can see this time the situation gradually the pricing is falls down. But my friends, if we talk about the last 1 week changes occurring, the XRP Ripple coins to negative 1.47%, the price falls down. Negative 1.47%, the price falls down. But never lose hope. I hope with the passage of time the price change will become positive. And absolutely now that's clear about the future of XRP Ripple coin, that the coming soon now. 7 6 days remaining to the last of this month, and I hope 7 6 days, the coming 7 6 days, they continue this jump for a long time. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you all like this update, like this news. So please make sure to subscribe my channel for more news and updates video.